Guys. Alright, good morning. We're in a train and we're going to the mountains because... Why are we going to the mountains?
We're going to the mountains because we fucking can.
Going to the mountains because we can, and we have our friend from Hungary who's just hungry. He just flew here yesterday, and he's now going to the mountain after a long flight. These guys. Anyway, we are in a 2.5-hour train. This guy thinks he's kind of cool.
I think I'm kind of cool.
It is kind of cool, right? Podoba się la música?
I have it.
No.
Where he lives? Yeah, you can have it.
Nobody wants World War, but might be happening, I don't know.
But what I know is that I'm not gonna go there, bro.
I mean, neither.
I'm not gonna die to a fucking drone.
There's nothing to fight for, bro.
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die in a drone explosion for fucking Pedro Sanchez. That is fucking terrifying. The fact that you are there in the trenches and you hear like a bzzz and that is done. That is your life is over. It's crazy how you can die from a fucking drone. Did you guys know that 70% of all Ukrainian Russian deaths are caused by FPV drones?
Really?
Yeah, it is.
That's fucking crazy. 70%.
So you're gonna go there in World War III to die to a fucking
That makes no sense. You're sending
drone,
soldiers to go a place to make them die, and whoever dies the most loses.
war
The
doesn't
fuck?
make sense. Bro.
It doesn't make sense at all. It's just retards fighting against retards.
I mean,
If there was a war with Spain
if the
or
country
Catalonia,
was,
even Catalonia, I wouldn't fight. I would escape. There's nothing to fight for. It's not that important. You know what I'm saying? Like, my life is more important than a country. Honestly.
so yeah, this is our takes. These are 12 quick takes on Israel-Palestine conflict. Yeah.
In general,
It's pretty
we'll
crazy.
see what happens, but
Let's see what happens. We're not going to the fucking war. To die to a fucking drone.
baja tontito, va.
Sigan viendo. Hermano.
La puta, ara em passaré, no?
Get ready, brother. Get ready. Get ready. Don't put your hand there.
Deixa'm, perquè no li dones a la mà.
Like the first one to retire is a faggot.
To retire. To quit.
Competition.
Wow, pero mira show, bro.
Look at me in the eyes.
Basta, puta. Bro.
Vale, va.
So yeah, we've got to La Torre de Carol, and now we're going up that mountain. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Do you know what the best canoe cook is in the area? So
You're gonna see. French people are...
we're officially started. Me and Bernard, we are from the club because we have this shit. So yeah, we're going up there. It's gonna be great. Bernard, show us why you are from the club.
What?
This club.
What?
gonna.
So we're fucking exhausted and we stopped for a second to rest a little bit.
It's like fucking heat. It's crazy.
It is so hot, bro. It is so fucking hot. We're getting fucking burned. So yeah, the hard part is done, we believe. Well, we've been here 3 times, so we know that the hard part is done, but that doesn't mean that there's a long way to go. There's some faggots that need a walking pole. We strong guys, we don't need them, but
We don't need a fucking pole.
we nearly got high kicked by a horse.
It was black.
Or not nearly got KO'd by a black horse.
But I always.
Wait, stop Bernard, look at this. This guy is texting his fucking girl.
He's calling
Again, bro.
My mom, bro. Shut up.
This guy's on this gorgeous trail and he's texting his girl, bro.
Focus. So if the horse, like, I mean, I always say I don't want problems, but if a horse says, hey, let's fight and say no fucking problem.
Watch what you want. Yo, burn up your mic and shit. Yo, burn up the right and left. I don't know. When it asked in the interview room, I don't know. How many girls in the room?
Mouthpiece
I don't
on.
know. Is that your girl in my coop? I don't know. Don't got the work, no safety. Lauren, Stacy, Mad Mix,
Anyway.
Brazy, who dip up niggas daily. Should I cuff Miss Banks? Give her babies. Maybe 9 boys, crazy. Buy big that's me in Emerton. But I heard they got police intelligence. Told them don't chef cause he's irrelevant. Free throw, that's me in Element. My young boys who free no evidence. But if on me, if he need anything, love beef adrenaline,
I think there's nothing better than just having fucking juice. After 3 hours walking in the crazy sun, enjoying with your brothers, mountains, enjoying the path, enjoying the way. Nothing better, bro. It's just happiness, peak male happiness. Like, there's nothing that could be better at this moment. I've been waiting for this moment like 10 months. Or crazy. Like, I was trapped in that room, hoping for this moment to arrive, and it's here, and I'm so grateful to be here again. Living life how it has to be done, you know what I'm saying? Like, just actually living life, not like most of people. They think they live life, they don't know shit. They don't know shit. We live like everybody should.
Well, we became a little bit thirsty, so we are filling up. Yeah. So, how would be a gypsy cow? Gypsy cow, give me a gypsy cow. Yo, nos vamos a la atracciones. This, I think that was a gypsy cow. So, we noticed that the cows, they don't have any water to drink. So we decided to fill their pond with water bottles. So God is gonna make us happy. So let's fill it up. Or not, please. Hey, motherfucker. How's the Gypsy King? King, no. How's the Gypsy car?
Ah, bro, esto es una
Do you have time? Give me your wallet.
Sabes que una vaca beu com 50 litres al dia.
English,
Woman
please.
cow. Woman cow. I can't drive.
That's fucking misogynistic, bro. That's fucking misogynistic. You say sorry to the YouTube channel.
Say fucking sorry.
It's so cold, bro. It's not like I'm not thirsty, but it's so cold. Hurts my brain. Ah!
Maybe now you will
freezes-
realize
it
the
freezes-
imitation is good. I
Enough hydration. We're officially half an hour away from the lake. So yeah. These guys look like an army. We are at the last part of the trail. Now our goal will be to find a place to hang up the Amex and hopefully make a fire, set a fire up, because it is the best. And so guys, after hiking for I would say 5 hours, something like that, we finally got to the fucking
Io pujaria la sama casa per aquí, Arriba a per aquí. Com aquesta distància,
I don't know if you guys recognize this location behind me, but it's the spot from our current profile picture. Yeah. Or not? Do you recognize this spot? But the question is that, of course I recognize this spot. This is the famous picture, beautiful. Let me see the back, let's check the... Big brother. Big brother burning his back crazy.
Brother burning himself.
So, we've actually got to the best place on earth.
Boys, make! Hasta curva!
That there's a fuck ton of mosquitoes. I don't know if the camera is able to see them, but fucking hell. So yeah, we're gonna look for a place a little bit further away from the fucking lake to have a sleep. And I got distracted because these motherfuckers are going in. And if these motherfuckers are going in, you know what it means? I'm going in because I want to be the bitch. It's a gorgeous place. So yeah, we're here and we're spending the night. I don't have long pants. I may die of fucking cold. I may be shivering all night. We're trying to find same place we slept 1 year ago when we came here, and we're walking through the forest trying to figure out where. Sí, aquí está Pedro. No.
Give me the fucking room.
So yeah, we finally set up base camp, and now we're here chilling and getting ready because it's gonna be a fuck ton of mosquitoes tonight. So there's nothing on video, but we made a pretty good fire.
Para.
And we're in big problems because this guy doesn't have a sleeping bag. That guy is asleep now, but he's gonna be cold. This guy is okay. And these two guys, I don't know if they will survive. Gonna get a kiss. But that is too fucking close to the fire. Bro, But
Bro, this is not good.
This is not good.
Stop putting fucking shit, man. You're gonna burn me alive.
I said,
Bro, stop. Fucking retard. You're fucking there.
Good night, guys. We're officially going to bed because tomorrow we've decided to wake up at 4:30 and try to push Puig, which is the highest mountain in the area. So yeah, I think that one or two of our team is gonna stay here like a pussy, but the strong ones will actually go up the mountain.
Profits.